This is the PPM project form. This project has completed its planning and is ready to be initiated. As part of the project initiation activities, we want to create a SharePoint site for the project and exchange data with it unidirectionally or bidirectionally. You can decide at what point in the project workflow the SharePoint site should be created by adding a single step to your project workflow. For demonstration purposes, we've made the Create SharePoint Site a manual execution step rather than an automated one. I can select the SharePoint site template I want to use for my project. Organizations can create as many project site templates as they wish and design them in any manner they wish. They may have templates for small projects, large projects, or for different business units. Before I create the site, let me show you the state of the data in SharePoint. As you can see, there are no subsites in SharePoint at the moment. Now let me execute the site creation. The workflow step has kicked off the site creation process in the background. Let's check in SharePoint. The project site has been created based on the template I selected. I've drilled down into my newly created site and see that there is no data for now. As you can see, the link to the project SharePoint site has been updated, making it easy for the project stakeholders to access it. In order to exchange data between my PPM project and its new site, I will now run the data exchange program, which is invoked through a PPM report. Normally, customers schedule the data exchange program to run automatically at any desired interval, but for demonstration purposes, I've run it manually. The report is completed and shows how many records have been exchanged between the two systems. Let's go back to SharePoint. My PPM project and its SharePoint site are now connected. Depending on the way I've set up my template, any data update in SharePoint may be reflected in PPM and vice versa. Here are some other types of data that may be exchanged using this feature. When PPM is a source and SharePoint is a target, you may export key project status information. You may export project documentation. When SharePoint is a source and PPM is a target, you may import project risk or announcements, or you may import project vacation calendars. This new capability allows organizations to automate your manual SharePoint PM processes, such as site creation and data updates, integrate SharePoint into your PM standards, facilitate collaboration among project team members, enable unprecedented visibility into project information, and enhance productivity by allowing project stakeholders to use their interface of choice. That is just one feature of the SharePoint Connector. To learn more, please visit www.ppmetrics.com or email us at info@ppmetrics.com.